Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Siti Syazliana binti Umar Yusuf. My student ID 20234602004. I'm from class A4 AS12001_2. For subject chemistry, CHM131. My lecturer's name is Madam Osmawati binti Abdul Aziz. First, we need to know the objectives for this topic. Number 1, to identify the meaning of atom and the structure of atom. Number 2, to define what is atomic number and mass number. Number 3, to identify the meaning and the example. Number 4, to define the isotopes, molecule, and compound. Number 5, to define the ions and identify the structure. The first is atom. Atom is the smallest particles of an element that retains the characteristic properties of that element. Also, the particle of matter that uniquely defines a chemical element. They are submicroscopic, means they are small to be seen with an ordinary microscope. Atom made of 3 subatomic particles as known as protons, electrons, and nucleus. Nucleus contains protons and neutrons, while electrons surround the nucleus. Atomic number, number of protons in the nucleus of an atom of any particular element. The number of chemical elements in the periodic system where the element is arranged in order of increasing number of protons in nucleus. The atomic number of an atom is equal to the number of protons in the nucleus of atom or the number of electrons in the electrically neutral atom. Atomic number equal number of protons. As you can see into the picture, X equal to atomic symbol of the element, A equal to mass number, which is proton plus neutron, and Z equal to atomic number, which is the number of proton or electrons. Atomic mass. Atomic mass is total of protons plus neutrons in the atom, and the number of mass, which is number, is usually located below the element symbol. Next is element. Element is a simple pure substance consisting entirely of one type of atom, a substance that cannot be broken down or separated into smaller parts or changed into another substance, formed by the combination of atom only and a lot of elements in a periodic table. And this is the example of element. For example, Cl is chlorine, Al is aluminium, D is phosphorus, O is oxygen, N is nitrogen, H is hydrogen, He is helium, and have more elements in periodic table. Isotope. Isotope is atom with identical atomic numbers but different mass numbers. Most elements have 2 or more isotopes. Isotopes have different numbers of neutrons and have similar chemistries, forming skin type of compound and displaying similar activities. In this example, lithium has different isotopes, each with the same number of protons but different mass number because of the different numbers of neutrons. Compound. A compound is a substance composed of atoms of 2 or more elements chemically united in fixed proportions. When the elements come together, they react with each other and form chemical bonds that are difficult to break. Compounds can only be separated into their pure components, which is elements, by chemical means. For example, is lithium fluoride, quartz, and dry ice, which is carbon dioxide. Ion. An ion is an atom or group of atoms that has a net positive or negative charge. In any given atom, the number of protons is always equal to the number of electrons. Neutral atoms can lose or gain electrons and become charged. The charged atoms are known as ions. We have 2 types of ion. For first type, we have cation and anion. Cation is ion with a positive charge, and a neutral atom loses 1 or more electrons. An ion is ion with a negative charge, and a neutral atom gains 1 or more electrons. For the second type of ion, we have monoatomic ion and polyatomic ion. Monoatomic ion contains only one atom, meanwhile polyatomic contains more than one atom. For those who are confused with monoatomic and polyatomic, we just need to see the front of sentence, which means the sentence of monoatomic, mono is equal, and for the polyatomic, poly is equal of more. And that's all for me. Thank you for watching.